I'm so excited to share my latest San Marino listing with you because it's the opportunity of a lifetime. Hi, it's Eva Lane, broker owner at Lane Realty Group, and today I'm in San Marino's beautiful Mission District at 1865 South Los Robles Avenue. This beautiful 1920s Spanish bungalow has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and is full of character and charm. Best of all, it's being offered under $1.4 million, which is an amazing opportunity to enter this gorgeous neighborhood. So without further ado, let's go take a tour. Welcome to 1865 South Los Robles Avenue. As soon as you walk in, you recognize that this home is so open and it's flooded with bright light. In the front, you get to have this beautiful view of the front yard and the mosaic glasses, which are the original to the house. And we've got crown molding, beautiful hardwood floor. It's been kept in the same family for decades and it's just so well kept. We've got the built-in cabinets. These are all of the original character of the home, which is hard to find. So the kitchen does need updating, but there are amazing opportunities here. First of all, as you can see, this kitchen has already got a great setup. There are windows on the side and a window here that looks out to the beautiful private backyard with greeneries. It's so picturesque that you can already imagine how we can modernize this. Now, here's what I would do. First of all, I would tear down this wall to make this into a very open concept. Relocate the fridge to the side, and what I would do to make this even more of a functional kitchen is by turning the washer and dryer into a stackable, put it on the corner so that there's even more space for the breakfast nook and cabinetry. And there you have it, a beautiful modern kitchen. So now let's go check out the bedroom corner. It's really cool that there's a door here that kind of separates the entertainment area from the bedroom corner. First off, you have a very spacious bedroom in the front. And again, beautiful windows and all you see is greenery. It's just so picturesque. You don't even need to hang any photos. This is going to be your daily artwork. And in the hallway, there's a really good size bathroom. It's been updated and it's a great size bathroom to share for guests and for the bedroom. So the second bedroom is being used as an office right now, which is really smart because so many people are working from home nowadays. However, if you don't need an office space, you can easily turn this into a bedroom or even a nursery for young parents as well, because this door leads into the master. Now, the master bedroom, again, it's got a beautiful setup. It's flooded with light in both directions, and you have the view of the beautiful private backyard. So what you're also going to love about this master bedroom is that there's a bonus room here. The bathroom is a little on the smaller side. However, you can easily turn this space into a luxurious master bathroom with a walk-in closet. And it's already got windows all around, which means that you would have a beautiful view of the backyard. So let's go explore this private backyard. This is really your own sanctuary. It's got privacy hedges, mature fruit trees. There's a cabana here for you to enjoy at the end of the day to unwind or host your get-together. This is such a great space. It's so peaceful. It's walking distance to downtown, and you really get to have a piece of your home here in the beautiful San Marino Mission District. So that was 1865 South Los Robles. As you can see, this home is full of character and charm. With a few simple updates, you can truly make this home your own and cherish it for many, many years to come. For you to start your next wonderful chapter, I invite you to give me a call for your private tour. I can be reached at 626-807-6581. Thank you so much, and I look forward to hearing from you.